happening, you guys? It's Jason from Air Cooled Vintage Works. I want to show you the next project we're going to start building. You'll be able to watch the full build on YouTube. But here's the car. It's kind of special. I've been hanging on to it for a while, hoping to do this build, and I think it's time to start. Let me show you the car. So what is it? It looks terrible, right? Well, it's not that bad. It's a 67 sedan. It's a factory black with red interior car, which is kind of a rare combo to find these days. The reason I bought this car is because it's totally complete. It's a one-owner car. It has all original parts to it, and it has no rust, no accidents. It's the kind of thing you really don't find these days. But let's walk around. Let me show you the car. So you can see a lot of original black paint still left, a lot of burned out paint fade. This patina is going to look awesome when we polish it, and you'll see that during the build. Check out the inside. You can see what's left of the factory red interior. Both 67 only seats are still here. Factory spider webs. You know, all this stuff that usually is destroyed or the car's been messed up so many times over. This one hasn't, so that's why I bought it. You can see the floor pans are beautiful. Heater channels, totally solid. Nice original paint everywhere. You know, back seats there. All the glass is original. And all the 67 only weird stuff is still on this car, which is what attracted me to it. Fenders, original 67 only rear bumper, backup lights. This is really cool. Original dealer sticker from where this car came from, which is from Montana, which is where I got it. Original engine to the car, still in the car. 67 only air cleaner. Like, a lot of really cool stuff that's usually gone is still here. Then on this side, more of the same. Lots of faded out original black paint with cool tones from all the burn. Just as solid on this side as it is on the other. So we're going to end up redoing all of this. What I'm going to do is split the body from the pan, restore the pan, powder coat it, replace all of the parts on the outside here, polish up all this original paint, new rubber, and we're going to do some custom stuff to it. It's going to have a nice big motor in it, different wheels, big tires, narrowed beam, you know, all the stuff that you would do to build a Callooker. That's what we're going to do with this car. So make sure you stay tuned to the YouTube channel, like and subscribe so you can follow this build and a lot of the other ones. We've got quite a few going on that I'll be uploading in the next few days. So check it out and stay tuned for this build. You're going to love it.